Hey team, exciting new update where now you can connect your selection items, your to-dos to your schedule items. So in an example here with your selections, when I'm setting up my selection in your settings tab, you always have this due date, but now next to it, you'll see this new tab for link to schedule. When I click on that here, it's going to pull open all my schedule tasks. So if I have my task for, let's say, installing the countertops, I can search for that specific one. I'll go down to that one here, attach it to that schedule item, and I can even set up days that this offsets on here too by clicking that toggle or adding that on there. You'll also see the start date that it is tied to for that schedule task. So I'll go ahead and add that one here. I'll show you what that looks like in the schedule. Now I want to jump to a to-do first. So with your to-dos, you can also do the same thing. So I have this countertop install checklist. When I'm editing this checklist here, can still do everything as normal. And the same thing as a selection next to that due date, you'll now see that link to schedule. So if I want to pull that open here, we'll do the same install item. So I can search for that specific item that I want to attach this to my schedule. I'll then see link task, the start date, and then I can quickly, again, add those days to it as well. So now we have that set up, and I will show you guys what this looks like in the schedule. Okay, so as I go into my schedule here, I go and filter by that specific schedule item, and you'll see next to those items, you have this related items section. So that will then show you those items that are connected to your schedule task, and click into those and open them up from here as well, right inside your schedule. So as always, excited to bring this to you guys. Let us know if you have any questions. Please reach out to your customer support coach if you need anything else. Thanks.